In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident attaching files to your emails, whether you're on your computer or another device. First things first, let's get to the Microsoft Outlook homepage. You'll need to open your favorite web browser and type in the Microsoft Outlook login page URL. Once you're there, you should see the Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that Sign In button. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Microsoft provides on-screen instructions to guide you through setting up a new account. But assuming you're already set up, log in with your email address and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Outlook homepage. From here, you'll likely see a range of options, but for our purposes today, look for an icon or link labeled Mail. Clicking on this will take you to your main inbox, where all your emails are listed. Now that you're in your inbox, it's time to create a new email. You should see a button labeled New Mail or something similar on the screen. Click this button to start composing a new message. When the new email screen opens, you'll notice spaces to input your recipient's email address, a subject line, and of course, the body of your email. But our main task here today is to attach a file to this email. Look for and click on the Attach File icon. It usually resembles a paperclip or may be labeled simply as Attach File. Clicking this will open up a File Explorer window. In this File Explorer window, you can navigate through your folders and find the file you want to attach. When you've located the file, click on it, and then hit the Open button at the bottom of the window. This will attach the file to your email. You'll likely see the file name appear either beneath the subject line or at the bottom of the email, indicating that it's successfully attached. Once your file is attached, you can add the recipient's email address, a subject line, and any body text you wish to include. Remember, this file can be anything, perhaps a document, a picture, or even a short video. Just make sure that the file size is within the limits that Outlook allows for outgoing emails. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. After you've double-checked everything, click Send. Now your email, complete with the attached file, will be on its way to the recipient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.